Welcome to my mayor's message of February 4th, 2021. February. Goodness. Where's the time gone? I'm Mayor Ron Jensen. On Wednesday, February 3rd, Grand Prairie, along with the City of Irving, opened a new vaccination provider location at the theater at Grand Prairie. At this time, vaccine supply is limited and the facility will operate on an as-needed basis. When vaccines from the state become readily available, the site will open Monday through Friday. Mayor Stouffer and I were on site earlier this week and are excited knowing this new location will help facilitate the vaccination process in West Dallas County.
Hi, I'm Ron Jensen, Mayor of the City of Grand Prairie.
And I'm Rick Stouffer, Mayor of Irving.
We're excited to announce that the cities of Grand Prairie and Irving are partnering to provide a new COVID-19 vaccine site at the theater at Grand Prairie.
Our cities are co-managing the location. Irving and Grand Prairie Fire Emergency and Management Services are giving the vaccines.
The new vaccine hub will help residents receive the vaccine more quickly. Even though the intent is to serve West Dallas County, it is still possible that Grand Prairie and Irving residents will be assigned to a different location.
To register, visit dallascounty.org/COVID-19 and click on vaccine. Then fill out the form. Help is available during business hours by calling 469-749-9900.
You can also register via the Tarrant County website at tarrantcounty.com/COVID vaccine or by calling 817-248-6299. The counties will then email confirmation and additional information. Residents will be prioritized based on state vaccination plan criteria.
Print and fill out the registration forms provided by Dallas or Tarrant County. Then you are ready to come to the assigned vaccination site at your scheduled time for your first vaccine dose.
Please keep in mind that vaccines are provided by the state and availability is not guaranteed.
In the meantime, we remind everyone that it is important to continue to follow the CDC guidelines to stop the spread.
That is, wear a mask, stay 6 feet apart from others outside your household, and wash your hands quite often.
City-specific resources are available at cityofirving.org and gptx.org.
For more information on the Texas vaccination plan, visit dshs.texas.gov/coronavirus.
We hope everyone stays safe and healthy.
Registration and appointments for this site are handled through Dallas County. You just cannot drive up and get a vaccination. You have to have an appointment, and you cannot select that site for your appointment. We may not get enough vaccines to even open it next week. We're waiting on the state. However, when we do get vaccines, Dallas County selects from Irving and Grand Prairie zip codes to send them to this site. To make an appointment, learn about the state's criteria, or for other vaccine information, please visit gptx.org/COVID vaccine. It's very important for everybody to register so when it does come time for your group, you're on the list. This week is the Super Bowl, and normally that would mean people getting together to watch the game, share food, and have a good time. And I know a number of you are still going to do that. I wish you wouldn't. Be careful. Reconsider getting together in large groups. This new variant is highly contagious. We don't have enough people vaccinated yet. I just want you to be careful. Dallas County Judge Clay Jenkins announced earlier this week that COVID-19 hospitalizations have dropped below 1,000 for the first time in weeks, and the number of new infections is lower than weeks past. We started this year with the hospital beds and ICUs close to capacity because of people getting together for the holidays. I don't want to see a repeat of that. So please enjoy the game at home, knowing you're helping save lives. You can find all COVID-19 information on our website, gptx.org/COVID-19. This year we won't be doing my State of the City in February or March like in years past. I hope to be able to do it in the fall, but we'll just have to wait and see. Here is some economic development news that I would have been sharing at my State of the City. Despite COVID-19, businesses in Grand Prairie continue to thrive. New retail and restaurants along the State Highway 161, President George Bush Turnpike corridor have continued to thrive, adding curbside and drive-through services. Kohl's moved to the new location on State Highway 161, along with a new 7-Eleven, My iLab, and Taco Bell, which is under construction. Hilton True opened up along State Highway 360 in North Grand Prairie, and the new Courtyard by Marriott and Staybridge Suites will open soon. Lockheed Martin's Missiles and Fire Control Headquarters recently won several large contracts, which added 500 employees and plans to add more employees in the coming months. Airbus Helicopters expanded their North American Training Center, and they have teamed up with partner HeliSim to provide training online. Chicken and Pickle will open its restaurant and pickleball courts later this year. A lot of you don't know what Chicken and Pickle is. I urge you to Google it. They're a fantastic family fun restaurant. We're only the second site in Texas to get a chicken and pickle. Construction of more than 4,500 new single-family homes is planned for the Prairie Ridge development in far South Grand Prairie. Right now, 105 single-family homes are planned in Heritage Town. I am excited for these new changes and additions to our city and can't wait to see what we can do in 2021. Speaking of construction, part of Camp Wisdom Road will be closed February 11th and February 15th for bridge work. This construction is part of the Camp Wisdom widening project expected to be completed by 2022. The February 11th closure will include Beltline to Robinson, and the February 15th closure will include Beltline to Carrier. View this and other roadway improvement projects on our website, gptx.org. Again, I want to stress to be careful this weekend during Super Bowl weekend. Until next week, y'all stay safe, stay masked, be kind, and socially distance.